friends, welcome to .NET Programming Tutorial. In this part, we will learn what is the application state in ASP.NET. So let's start with tutorial. So the ASP.NET application state is server-side state management technique, and the application state is a global storage mechanism that is used to store data on a server and share for all user. It means that data stored in application state is common for all user. Data from application state can be accessible anywhere in application. Application state may be used same way as a session state, but the session state is specific for single user session, whereas the application state is common for all user of ASP.NET application. To store the information in an application state, this is the example. This is application state variable name, and I'm assigning some string value here. Now I want to retrieve the information from application state variable. So this is the string variable str, and I'm assigning this application state variable value to the string variable str. Let's see the advantage of application state. Multi-user can able to access the application variable. Application object memory release when we remove. Let's see the disadvantage of application state. Application state requires server memory, which can affect the performance of server as well as scalability of application. For example, if we store the large amount of data in an application state variable, so it will definitely degrade the performance of application also. Next disadvantage is application variable will exit until we exit our application. So it means that application variable value will be remain in a memory until we exit our application. So the general use of application state variable is that to get the total number of visitor in a website or web application. So to understand the use of application state, let's flip to Visual Studio. So this is demo for application state. In this demo, I want to I want to calculate the number of visitor by clicking on click to visit button. So now start without debugging. Now copy this URL, open in another tab. Now paste here. Now in this demo, I want to get the total number of visitor by clicking on click to visit button. Now click on click to visit button. So the total count is 1 here. Now go to another tab now and again click on click to visit. So this is 2. So how this is possible? As I already stated that application state is accessible for all user. This is while still it's total visit incremented by 1, even we open this web page in another tab also. Now go to first tab, click on click to visit. This is 3. Now again click 4. Now click to go to another tab and click on this button 5. uh, but how this is possible with application state? Now flip to Visual Studio, go to aspx.cs file. When we click on first time we click on click to visit button, so the count value is set to 0, and initially I am checking first that application variable is not equal to null, but initially we don't have value in application state variable, it is null. So it will first time it will not go to this condition, it will directly jump to this line, and the count is incremented by 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1 here. So count is initially set to 1, and we are assigning this count value to the application state variable here, and we are assigning this count value to the label here. Now if we again click on click to visit button, so the count is incremented by 2 here. Initially for is it's a 1 when we first time we click on a click to visit. Now if we again click on a click to visit button, so it is incremented by 2. But how is it possible? So the when again a second time we click on click to visit button, count is reset to the 0. Now second time we having some value in a application set variable which is 1. Now the count is set to 1 here, and now count is set 1 plus 1 equal to 2 here. So we are assigning this count value to the application state variable, and we are assigning this count value to the label here. So each time user is click to visit button, it is incremented by 1 here. So this is how we can use the application state. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and to receive the notification click on bell icon. Thank you.